let me show you how you can set up a AI setter with a Pointwise and Go High Level. Now, Go High Level here acts as a hub where all your leads are in one place, and a Pointwise acts as a connector, or in this case, AI text setter. So you can embed this or integrate this AI text setter to SMS, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram, as you can see right here. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to a Pointwise, is the first link in the description, and you want to register, which we just did right here. Then you want to integrate this with Go High Level. If you don't have Go High Level, you can also check out our link. We have 30-day free trial, and you want to make sure you go into Go High Level and just register, okay? Once you have that, you can get started pretty much for free for the first 30 days. Now, what I want to say here is you want to first integrate it with Go High Level. So how you're going to do that is you're going to be copying the snapshot link here, and you want to go into new tab and paste that link in here, okay? Now, once you paste that link, you want to import it right here. So click import now. And once you import it right here, you will have it right here, and you can create a sub account right here. So creating a sub account, I won't go through it because it's very simple. Just make sure you find your business on the map and you fill in the details and you create a sub account. I already have a sub account right here. So if I go to my sub account and if I go to settings and if I go to custom values, this is where I would be able to find a Pointwise API key and a Pointwise client ID. This is how we're going to be integrating a Pointwise with Go High Level. So go back to a Pointwise, copy the API key, and paste it right here. Go to edit, paste it in here, and then for the Pointwise client ID, do the same right here in the edit, and that is going to be it. You just hit next, and then connect to Go High Level. You will have a screen where you would be able to connect to your sub account. Make sure to click on your sub account once you're connecting, and then you want to create your first AI agent. Now, an AI agent in here is an AI text setter. So what we want to do is we want to go to AI agents here, and we want to create a new AI agent. Okay, so here, as you can see, we can use the Copilot, we can create new, or we can import strategy with JSON. Now, this is for more advanced builders. If you want to just go and create a text setter, you can go in here and click next. Now, this is going to be kind of like ChatGPT for appointment setters. So if you want to build an AI text setter, you simply go here, create new AI, and then as you can see, you will go through the process of creating this AI text setter. Now here, go for my business. Obviously, you can also choose for my clients if you want. Enter your business. So for us, it's going to be called Fuel Your Digital. And by the way, if you don't want to follow all this tutorial, we have a link down below where you can schedule a call with us and where you can book a call to, we can build basically your AI agent for you or your AI text setter for you. So in this case, we want to go to our website, and I'll just copy the website here. And I analyze the website here. And as you can see, the scan will be completed. It's very fast and great. I've analyzed your website. Now tell me about your services in detail. Now what you can do is you can copy your website, go to ChatGPT, and you want to go in here, put your website link and put, give me all the information about this business. And then let's see if this is going to go here. Okay, we have it here. So we can just go and we can copy this entire thing and we can paste that in here. Okay, you want to hit enter. And as you can see now, what's your main goal? So our main goal here is to go with an AI books appointments. So we click here. And as you can see, we will need to select our calendar. Now, if you don't have anything here, if you cannot see anything here, make sure to go to your Go High Level, go to your calendars, and then you want to go to calendar settings and create a calendar. So how this works is when you go to your calendars in Go High Level, you would be able to create calendar like these ones. So we have property inquiry, John Smith personal calendar, and stuff like that. So once we create a calendar, this will reduce friction later on because we will have leads in Go High Level that we will book a call with automatically. So we will not send them links so that they can go and book themselves, because that just increases the friction, which we don't want. So in this case, just go to calendars, create new calendar, and then here you can create a personal booking or a service booking. Service booking is for local businesses. Personal booking is for online businesses, one-on-one calls usually. And once you do this, again, this is very straightforward. You go here and you select this particular calendar that you want. So I want that one. And then as you can see here, make sure to turn off follow-ups only, because this is recommended already. Again, you will have follow-ups. This doesn't mean you won't have follow-ups, but this is just after the booking. Okay, so click here. And then this will build your entire AI strategy right here. As you can see, we're building it out. So let's see what this Appointwise will give us in a second. So as you can see, we got the entire strategy laid out here, and we can actually view our AI agent here. Now, this is where you can actually set up your AI text setter. Okay, you can set it up with instructions, with conversations, with configurations, with knowledge, and with tasks. So let me kind of go through this in a very straightforward way. Strategy name can be literally any name you want. Go high level tag is a tag you will add on your go high level contacts, and when you add this tag, this AI agent, or in this case, this AI setter, will be immediately started, okay? And this AI setter will qualify the leads that have this tag. So in your Go High Level account, sub account, you want to go to your sub account, you want to go to contacts, and when you add these tags, you go like this and you add the tag, and here, make sure to create a tag. And once you add this tag, and if this is published, this AI text setter will go and qualify your leads that have this tag in Go High Level. This is why this is so powerful. Tone is going to be friendly and casual, but it can also be enthusiastic, energetic. You have a lot of different styles. For the prompt editor, I already created a prompt, but you can also do disqualification criteria here. For example, say they're not interested or asked to be removed. You can add it right here. I skip this because I want to have unlimited characters. I put the language English. The typos can stay at 0 because usually every single sentence will have at least one typo. And then here you can do something like approachable, persuasive, confident. Optimistic is also great. And this will also add as a personality trait. So you can save prompt. Another adjustment you can do is initial message delay, response delay. You can do those. Usually I put this at 13 seconds. I put this at 8 seconds or more. And then objection handling, whether or not you want this to be an AI text setter that is aggressive on the selling or not, again, this will depend on that. Qualification priority, I always stay balanced. Creativity is 40%, and I go to conversation. So this is just initial message. So you can say, hey, it's Tin from Fueler Digital. Can you confirm this is, and then contact first name. This tag is going to be from your contacts in your Go High Level account. So it's a tag that is going to be pulling the name from your contacts. Then we have qualification questions. You can add condition for each qualification question. For example, what's your biggest headaches you're running into with daily workflows? And you can add a condition. If someone says, I don't have enough time, you can skip to question number 4, for example. So that basically gives them essentially like a way to qualify your leads in a very fast way. Follow-ups, you can add follow-ups and you can add hours for each follow-up, like after 3 hours, after 1 day, after 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, stuff like that. Configuration right here. So this is where you can configure your calendar as we configured it already. We don't have to pretty much do anything on this page. We can go to knowledge, and this is knowledge based. So just enter your company information and enter frequently asked questions. However, if you already have a good prompt, you don't have to do that as well. And then tasks are usually workflows that are already pre-made for you. So in this case, you can just hit save and you can launch your test environment. And this is where you can test your AI agent, as you can see, which I did right here. And before actually launching it, make sure to test it out. Now, if you want to launch it, you can just click launch in Go High Level. And this video basically gives you the launching steps for Go High Level. But this is essentially how to set it up an AI text setter in Go High Level and Appointwise. This is by far the best combination for your AI appointment setter in 2026 and beyond. So if you have any questions or comments, comment below. And if you want us to build you an AI text setter for your business, then click the link in the description and book a call with us. Thank you guys for watching.